friends, how are you today? Are you ready to learn another section of the orchestra? Now remember there are four: the string section, the woodwind section, the brass section, and the percussion section. Now we're learning about the second one today, the woodwind section. So let's use our book, The Story of the Orchestra, to look at the woodwind section. All the instruments in the woodwind section are played with wind. The musician blows into them. For the most part, they look like a stick, though some are longer than others, but they have very different shapes. The different shape and materials of each instrument help create its unique sound. Woodwinds also vary in how they are played. The flute has a hole for the musician to blow across. The wind vibrates through the flute, creating a sound. The other instruments in this section use a reed. A reed is a narrow strip of cane that vibrates when a player blows on it, creating sound. The clarinet, oboe, and bassoon use a reed. Now, we'll learn more about reeds in class, but what I want you to see here is, here's our picture of the orchestra. Remember the string section was in blue. Now our woodwind section is kind of in this brown color. Can you see? This section is here for clarinets and saxophones, for bassoons, for flutes, and for oboes. Let's look at a few pictures. This is a flute and a piccolo, which is like a very small flute. Here's an oboe. This is a good picture of a reed right here, and then it's a long instrument. A clarinet. A saxophone. This one kind of has a curve on it. Almost looks like the letter J. Very nice. And then a bassoon. Now there are two different shapes of bassoon, so that's why you see two different pictures here. One here and one here. Okay, so that is the woodwind section. We'll learn a lot more about it in class, but this is just a video to help you remember what is the woodwind section. You think you got it? Awesome. I'll see you on Wednesday.